This training video is to show you how to search for 932 or 932Rs in perspective. This is for all dispatchers, all officers, and all supervisors. This will help you search for keywords as far as item names or make or model. So when you log into perspective, this is a window you see. You're going to go to Analyze and Reports. Be mindful that the first time you open up perspective and you click on Analyze Report, it will take a little time for this window to open up. It should be in one of these. I have shared with most of the officers and most of the dispatchers. If you don't have it, please let me know. You're going to click and you should have this query right here. 932-932R, items by name. So you click on it once, you click on edit on top, then you're going to have to click on edit again. And here you're going to search by, let's say, iPhone. And the dates that we're searching for is after June 1st and before 8/27. So in between these two dates is when somebody told you that they lost an iPhone. That's all they gave you. Or maybe they told you it's an iPhone and I lost it at Bascom Palmer, for an example. Once you type in their iPhone, click on execute, it'll give you a list. And in this list, it takes a little second. This list is all the items that you have that may have an iPhone. So you can widen this list a little bit, make it easier for you to read. These are all activity numbers. These are all the dates. So let's say this one was an iPhone with a charger. You're going to click on it anywhere on it, click on View Detail, and it'll give you some information on this report. This happened at Lennar. So obviously this is not the one we're looking for, because the example is that somebody lost it at Bascom Palmer. You X out of that. This is an iPhone charger, iPhone S, with a peach cover. You click on it, go to View Detail, and this happened at Plantation. If you wanted to check, go to Involvements, Items. It's an iPhone S peach cover with a red case, and it was placed in Lost and Found. But again, for this example, it's not there. We're looking for one that's in Bascom Palmer. You're going to click on the next one, View Detail. This one happened at PAC, so this is not it either. And you obviously have the date here. So if they tell you it happened in June, you will rearrange those dates. We're going to check on this iPhone right here, View Detail. And this one happened at UMHC. Again, it's not going to be the one that they said they lost at Bascom Palmer. But if you wanted to check with this one, you click on Involvements, Items, and this one is kept in Dominion Garage 160. So if you know you're looking for one that happened at UMAC between these dates, you check on Involvement Items, and it's going to tell you that it is here in Dominion Garage 160. I'm going to give you another example so you can see how you can change the name of the item. Click on it, edit again, and instead for an iPhone, we're going to search for keys between the same date as an example. Click on execute. It takes a few seconds for the window to come up, and here's all activities that have keys either on a 932 or 932R. These are all activities that were assigned to an officer, and you can check to see if we have them or if there was a 932. So let's say this one, it happened on June 5th. Click on it, View Detail. This one happened at PAC, Involvement. This is a 932, and these keys were lost. So at least you know that we don't have these keys in Dominion Garage or in any other building, but you know there was a 932 written on a lost. There should be some more information here written by the dispatcher as to who the complainant is, who the victim might be, and again, you can search for any activity. Then it takes you to the incident. And then here you will see items. This one was returned to owner with a fiat keys. This other activity, click on view details, and this one happened at Bascom Palmer, Mazda car keys, involvement, items, and these are kept in Dominion Garage. So if somebody tells you I lost a Mazda key and it had a Hyundai key with it, you know we would have it at Dominion Garage, and you would just check to see where and the date. Again, this video is to help you train you to check for items by name. If you don't have this query listed in your perspective, please let me know and I will share it with you so that any officer, any dispatcher, or any supervisor can check for 932s.